In this video, you will learn how to print large data in Microsoft Excel. In addition, you will also learn how to print this data on one page in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here, I have a large data and you will learn how to print this data. So let's start this video. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Firstly, I will select this data. You can manually select this data by dragging option. I will firstly click on this cell. After that, I will press Ctrl, Shift and right arrow key. Now you can see here all row is selected. Now I will again press Ctrl, Shift and down arrow key. Now you can see here all data is selected. You can also manually select this data according to your choice. After selecting data, go to page layout option and here is the option of print area. Click here. From here, I will choose Set Print Area. After selecting this data, go to File option and here is the option of Print. I will see the print preview. Now you can see here our data appeared on 6 pages. Here is the option of orientation. For large data, I will prefer landscape. So I will click here and from here I will choose landscape orientation. You can also select this option. From here, I will go back. And here is the option of page layout. Under page layout, there is the option of orientation. From here, I will choose landscape. Again, I will go to file option. And here is the option of print. From here, you can choose printer. You can select any printer according to your requirement. After that, here is the option of page size. Click here. From here, I will choose A4 size. After that, here is the option of page setup. Click here. Go to page option and here is the option of fit to. Select this option. If you are interested that all columns appeared on one page, then I will choose 1 here and this one shows the rows. I am interested to display all data on one page, so I will choose 1 After that, you can see here landscape is already selected. Our page size is A4. I will simply click on OK. Now let's see the preview. You can see here that all data appeared on one page. Now I will again go to page setup option and I am interested to display all columns on 2 page. So I will choose 2 page. And I am interested that all rows appeared on one page, so I will select 1. After that, I will click on OK. Now you can see here it has 2 pages. Again, I will go to page setup option and from here if I choose 1, then all columns appeared on one page. Click on OK. Now let's check the result. So by using page setup option, you can adjust the page number according to your requirement. In addition, if you are interested that all headings appeared on each page, then go to page layout option. Here is the option of page layout. Click here. Then here is the option of print titles. Select this option. Here is the option of rows to repeat at top. Click here. From here, select your rows. After that, click here and again click on OK. Now this row appeared on each page of your print. So by following this video, you can easily print large data in Microsoft Excel. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.